Nananom, mpanyinfo afi municipal education office, any municipal office, atitulufo ewa ha, head teachers, awofo, any school for, memobi bia akwaba, yame enshiramo. Good morning, distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, Nananom, dedicated staff, proud parents, cherished students, and members of Saforo community. It is with immense joy and gratitude that I stand before you today to welcome you to this historic occasion of commissioning our new JHS block and science laboratory. Your presence here today is a testament that your commitment to education and development of our community. We are deeply honored with us to have the representatives of our donors whose generosity has made this dream a reality. We also extend our warm welcome to the Municipal Director of Education, the Municipal Chief Executive, our beloved Nana Ansah Sasraku II, and all other dignitaries who have graced us with their presence. Thank you for being here to celebrate this milestone with us. Why are we here? Today we have gathered here for three important purposes: to celebrate progress. This new JHS block and science laboratory represent more than just a building. They are symbols of hope, progress, and limitless potentials for our students. These facilities provide a safe and modern inspiration for our children. We are here to express our deep gratitude to all those who made this project possible. To Mr. Richard Buckman, Mrs. Elizabeth, the Protestant Church of Leusden, Special Purpose Foundation, Holland Ghana Foundation, Wild Garden Foundation, and UT Care Foundation. We say to you, thank you for this incredible generosity. To the Municipal Education Directorate, we say thank you for supporting this worthy cause. We are also grateful to our chiefs of the land, the SMC, the PTA, the entire Saforo community for their unwavering support. Once again, I welcome you all to this special occasion. Thank you, and God bless us all. Thank you.
This occasion, chiefs and elders, the clergy, our benefactors from the Royal Kingdom of the Netherlands, parents from the Saforo community, all invited guests here present this morning, colleague teachers, beloved learners, ladies and gentlemen. The heartwarming moment for me and the Municipal Education Directorate to welcome all of you and to associate ourselves with this all-important program. Nana Chairman, infrastructure deficit is one of the problems in our schools in the municipality. It is therefore timely when our benefactors here accepted to come to our aid to construct a 3-unit classroom block for the JHS, attach a staff common room, and furnish it as well, and then also provide a science laboratory. Let's give them a round of applause. Science, technology, and mathematics and engineering education in Ghana today is the focus. The laboratory provided will go a long way to meet the design needs to position our learners very well, not only from the Saforo community, but also all the basic schools in the municipality and beyond. Nana Chairman, as a directorate, we promise to play our supervisory role to ensure the facilities are put in good use.
Good afternoon, Nana Chairman, Municipal Director of Education, Headmistress of the school, teachers, community and students, and Emmanuel and other guests. In November 2022, we were opening the junior high school at Beenhazen, like Emmanuel said, the Esther Beukema Junior High School. And Emmanuel said on the way we drove through, come and look at Saforo. And what did we see? We saw the junior high school. It was very bad. When it rained, the students couldn't go to school. And we had a talk with the headmister, I think, at that time, in the old KG. And we said, we promised to try to raise the money. And now, 3 years later, 2.5, we are here. I'm at the board of the Holland Ghana Foundation, and with the Foundation of Special Purpose and the Leusden in Holland, we raised the money. But Emmanuel Titi had to do a lot of work. He had to create a new NGO, drawings, calculations, explanations of inputs, voices, a lot of paperwork, and new blanks, tables for the students. We had to declare everything. And in August, September 2023, there was a yes from the Leusden, and we could start the school.
In December 2023, we started the demolition the KG. In cooperation with the community, the old steel roof plates were used to repair the old junior high school for the junior high school students. The KG pupils had lessons in the church. When the new junior high school is ready, they go over to the new block, 3 classes and a teacher room. Then the KG will go to the old junior high school. 1 classroom of the old junior high school become a science lab. Thanks to the community and the Holland Ghana Foundation and the Protestant Church of Leusden of the Netherlands, a great cooperation together. Thank you. The new junior high school block started in January 2024 with the foundation, floor and walls. The highest spot on 19 February 2024, the flag in top. Emmanuel needs to submit a lot of invoices, calculations, figures and numbers on paper to declare. Thank you, a great job. The science lab was ready in August 2024 and later with a beamer from the Diaconie Protestant Church of Leusden.
In Holland, we followed the construction of the school very well. Mr. Emmanuel sent a lot of pictures, and the roofing was at the end of February 24. Then after there's electric installation, roofing steel plates, plastering inside, outside, school furniture and a mango tree also was in the way, windows, doors, and on 17th of May last year there was electricity. And the teachers and the students could go to school in July last year. And they are using the new junior high school with the black and the white boards to declare. End of September, October last year, the school was ready. It had to be painted 2 times, and in December, January this year, the last paperwork were ready, sent to the Leusden. There was hard working with everyone. We want to especially thank our coordinator, our manager and friend, Emmanuel Titi. He has realized all our projects in Ghana from 2004 until now. in a great way and with great care. Emmanuel, thank you for that. We want to congratulate the Nana Chairman, Community, the School of Saforo, the Municipal Director, Mr. Ansah, because with this nice school, education is the key, I heard, and it's true. We congratulate you for the fine school of Saforo, a fine place to go to school. And we wish you a lot of success. Be proud and take good care of the school. Also in the future, do your maintenance in time. And I'm gladly to handing over the school later on. God bless you. Thank you.
Amanfo, kakra meka nse ade a wɔde ba bɛhyɛ yɛn sɛ momma yɛn nyinaa ɛnyɛ mfa sɛ yɛn dea te sɛnea Mr. Emmanuel Tete kasa no kae no ɛyɛ school no a ɛsi Saforo ha yɛnhwɛ so yɛmma biribi ntɔkyim wɔ ho na wɔn a wɔde ma yɛn no wɔba a wɔn se abɛfim yɛsrɛ mo ara biribiara a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ na yɛyɛ na sɛbisɛbi akorɔmfo bi ambɛba na wɔn ambɛsisa nneɛma a wɔde abɛgu hɔ no wɔmmɛbɔ ho ban schoolfo ɛna teacherfo science lab a wɔde aba yi no new building yi mmerehwɛ anim sɛ efi saa mmere rekɔ mobɛyɛ so interested in STEM subjects no sɛ mowie BC a mo dodo na ɛba bɛkɔ science SHS no Presec, St. Peter's, McGee's, Brick Girls, Wesley Girls, Nyakike ka ho. JHS for Munti na meka no. Fisamri yuko se wanye BC wi a say request me person request be banana minya aggregate 6 7 na Brick Girls one family and so into na anim ano mentama mefa and the minister hokra na say no kona mekopisa na kwakopisa yenhwe sana waka say you need the first science laboratory for any basic school or municipality hano moma yenya kediframpa na sa building ya mpanyi apeye wo krom hayi and now the story of Saforo. Let's change the story. That in 10 years' time, we'll come and see graduates from Saforo in the science colleges, teacher training, nursing training, what have you. What school for the Messanga na me no ma bitin komo.